Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, triangle ABC was translated 9 units to the left and 6 units down to create the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Which rule best describes this transformation? So, what is it that I'm looking for? Well, I'm looking for a rule that will help me describe the transformation that happens, right? And the problem itself is already telling you what kind of transformation is happening. And it says that it was translated 9 units to the left and 6 units down, okay? So what the first thing that we're gonna do is, well, think about if you have a grid, right? Something where you can actually graph your figures or your shapes, okay? So I want to know where my X and my Y axis are going to be here, okay? So once I look at my grid, I can see that these are my X axis and this is my Y axis, okay? I can identify positive numbers to the right of the X and I can identify negative numbers to the left. Is that right? So this is something that you guys know. And the reason why I'm pointing out about these positive and negatives is because you're going to need it. So for example, the question says it was translated 9 units to the left. So I'm going to write it down here. 9 to the left. So if you go to the left, okay, wouldn't you go this way, right? That means going to the left. And you basically will be affecting, right, the X coordinate. So this will be -9, okay? And remember, going to the left means this kind of arrow. This is a horizontal, okay? And my horizontal on my grid is the X-axis, right? So this will be X -9. And the reason why I say -9 instead of plus is because I'm going to the left. And on the left, I have negative numbers, right? Okay. What about the second movement? Well, it says 6 units down. So if we go down, my arrow will be pointing this way. And that's a vertical arrow, right? And my y-axis is vertical line. So this is going to affect my y. Okay, now since you're going down, think about what kind of numbers would that be? Well, we have negative numbers, right? So we're gonna say -6. So my rule is gonna be y -6. Okay, so now that I have the movements that I am gonna need, this is x and y. So what is it that I'm gonna do to the x? I'm gonna take away 9 units, and on the y, I will take away 6 units. Okay, so if you look at the answer choices for this, okay, what would be my answer choice for this one? Okay, do you find it? I hope so, right? So this, I can see it on my answer choice. See, very good.